I'm playing Heartovia. I don't even know why this guy has big eyes. Big eyes. Big eyes. Cat. It's a cat. What is this? It's a cat. What am I almost there? Finally, that took a lot of time loading. Oh my god, ignoring. Well, this is big. Hey, why are you bigger eye than me? Slap you. This is a flamingo, I think. Never mind, it's not flamingo. Fishing. It's fishing. I'm not. Okay, stop looking. Okay, don't look.